Hello, welcome to my channel YouTube babocelltechnology. On this video I'm going to show you how to reset a ZTE Z981. Okay, turn off your phone, turn off. After turn off, you can click paste, okay, the button, press the button, volume up and power. Ok, donc dans la vidéo ça nous allons montrer comment on est capable de reset un téléphone Z981. Pas oublier si vous faites venir sur channel là, abonner, subscribe, peser petit bouton notification mais surtout tout bien all pour rejoindre toute vidéo qui n'a pas. Ok, n'a parti bouton ça, power et volume up and power. Ok, volume up and power. You see, volume up, power. You see, relâche. Donc, you see that? Dès que vous finissez de peser, vous sentez le fond vibrer dans la main, la gueule. You see that? 6.0.1. You see, and click down volume down to select. Okay, volume down, click now and down, volume down. You see that? Volume down, see, volume down. Okay, I'm going to click the volume down, 1 click, 2 click, 3 click. Okay, after you click the power. Okay, power. After click to select with data factory reset. You see that? You see that? Okay. Okay, factory data with reset and volume and power. Click the power now. Press the power. Click. Okay, after click the power to select yes. Select yes. With volume down. Click to volume down. You see, volume down. This is volume down. Click the volume down. Okay, yes. Select yes and click the power. Click the power now. Power, this is the power. Okay, wait. You see? Okay, after you can reboot your phone now. Reboot system now. Okay, press the power now. Okay, you see that? Okay, it was reset successfully. Skype, you see, the Skype is not working. This is a FLP bypass. Okay, I'm going to show you in next video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will see you on next video. Don't forget subscribe, abonne, and click the button all notification. Okay.